Good morning, class. What we're going to be doing today is I'm going to show you different ways that you can add to make it easier for you. So the first way is by making tally marks. Now, does anybody know what a tally mark is? Yes.
It's a line.
Yes, tally marks is a line. It's just a fancy word for a line. So let's do 2 examples for each one. So let's do 3 plus 2. So if we're going to use tally marks, let's go ahead and get 2 different colors. We're going to do 3 tally marks, which remember, it just means it's a line. So 1, 2, 3. Then in another color, we're going to do 2. 1, 2. Now, how can we find the answer with those tally marks? What do we need to do next? Yes?
Count.
Count, yes. So now we're going to count all of our tally marks to get the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer is 5. Now let's do 2 plus 5. So first, we're going to do 2 tally marks. And then 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our answer is 7. So that's the first way. Does anybody have any questions? All right, let's move on to the second way, which is by drawing pictures. Now, pictures can be as simple as a circle, a dot, it can be a heart, a star, a little fish. Just make it simple so that it doesn't take up too much of your time, because the point is to make it easier for you, and we need to be focusing on adding, not our artwork. So let's try 4 plus 3. So I'm going to do hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I need to draw 3. 1, 2, 3. And now we're going to count all of our hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our answer is 7. Now let's do 1 plus 8. This time I'm going to do balloons. So we're going to draw 1 balloon. Now we need to draw 8 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we're going to count. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our answer is 9. So this is the second way to add. With this one, like I said, it can be anything you need, anything you want to draw, just make sure it's simple. The third way is going to be a number line. Now, if you think this is going to end up being the easier way for you once we're finished, I do have papers that already have number lines on them so that you don't actually have to draw out the number line. So if we're going to do a number line, we're going to draw, well, I'm going to draw, y'all will have the worksheets, a number line. So a number line has 10 spaces since we're dealing with smaller numbers. So we start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So the first problem, let's do 4 plus 2. So what we're going to do here, number 4 will be purple, and we're starting at 4. So we're going to circle the number 4 on the number line. And now we are adding 2 to 4. So what we're going to do is we start at the 4 and we're going to move over 2. So 1, 2. And that is 6. So therefore our answer is 6. Okay, let's do one more of this one. Draw out my number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, let's do 3 plus 5. So we're starting at what number?
5. No, 3.
3. Yes, it's always the first number. So we're going to circle the 3. And we're going to move how many spaces?
5.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer is
8.
8. Okay, now our fourth way is 10 frames. This one we also have. I have the worksheets with the 10 frame chart on it, and y'all can use the little counters, which are the little circles, and y'all can, it has different colors. You can get 2 colors to put it onto the chart. So a 10 frame, like I said, you won't have to draw these out. It's just the rectangle. Let's do 2 plus 2. So what you're going to do if you have a 10 frame, you're going to put 2, I'm going to pretend these are the counters. So you're going to put 1, 2 of one color, and then 2 of the other color. And then you will count how many counters you have on your 10 frame. So for this one, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer is
4.
4. For this one, let's do 6 plus 3. So we're going to do 6 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we're going to do 3. 1, 2, 3. So our answer is, let's count these together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Any questions so far?
No.
Okay. So our last way is going to be by using your fingers or counting on. So for this one, let's do 3 plus 3. So if we're doing 3 plus 3, and we're going to be using our fingers, you're going to put 3 on one hand and 3 on the other, and then we'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what's the answer?
6.
We have 6 fingers. Good job. Now, if we were counting on, we would start at 3. And now we need to add 3 more. So 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's another way to do it. Let's do one more. Let's do 2 plus 5. So we're counting on our fingers. We're going to have 2 plus 5. So we're going to count our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our answer is
7.
7. Now if we were counting on, we would start at 2 and add 5. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Y'all understand that? This one's more for if you just need to do something real fast. If somebody asks you, hey, what's 2 plus 2? Then you can be like, okay, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, and you can count your fingers. But on our worksheets, we like to show work. So for our worksheets in our working class, we're gonna go ahead and stick to these 4 ways. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna practice these ways. I have a worksheet for y'all. Y'all are gonna practice each one on the worksheet, and then y'all will turn that in after. So I'm gonna need everyone to quietly get up and go back to your seats.